Mwagala luzunguruka.
Balamusiza mwena abazze wano olunaku olwaleero mwebale mwena okujja bannamawulire abayimbi. Thank you so much for coming out for my auntie Spice. First of all, I congratulate her for this milestone, 10 years. Those are really a lot of years, and she has stayed relevant, dropping hits every year, and I really look up to her. The first time I saw her, when I used to live in the village back in those days, I think it was 2017, and then my brother, he used to have some small TV, and he would put some songs, and they put that song of her and those guys of Opa Fambo, that song Akagali. I like that song so much. I would watch that song all the time, and I started looking up to her. I started admiring her music. I started getting to know much about music, and when God helped me, and I gained some popularity, and I started getting called on shows. We would go on shows with her. There was a time we went on a show with her, Gravity, and me. It was in some place I don't really remember, but she was so nice to me. She talked to me, and my father was a really big fan. So we'll be on a drive, and I will be in our car and be like, no, you go sit in Spicy's car. And when I go there, she was so nice. We would buy things. She was so helpful. Even Uncle Roger, I don't know where he is, but I thank him so much for being so nice to me, for encouraging me, and many things that he has helped me with throughout my career. Even right now, when I had first launched my concert, which happened on 7th, she was not around, but my father, he talked to her, and I sent a message to her, and she saw it, and she bought some tickets to my concert. So I thank her so much, and I just want to tell everyone, on the 10th of January, it's going to be going down. We're going to be celebrating 10 years with Aunt Spice. It's going to be very massive. Yeah, everyone, please be there. I'm also going to be there. And I thank you so much for everything you have done for me. I really thank you so much. And before I go, I'm going to tell you guys, this Saturday, on the 7th of December, I'm going to be having my festival concert as well. It's going to be at Lugogo Legends Rugby Grounds. Some of you guys know that place. It's gonna be my festival concert, and I want to request all of you guys to come out and support me. It's gonna be a daytime show. Mostly, it's gonna be like a kids experience, but even adults are also very very much welcome. Babazanya Mwena, Uncle Madras, and Chico have been with me. They have been so supportive. B2C, I really look up to those guys. Their music is nice. Aunt Martha, I thank all of you. Even the media groups, the journalists. I thank you so much for coming here today, and I request you guys to come for me on the 7th of December. Peace out.